Loft tool. Loft tool, it is used to create 3D model using various 2D sketches. Here you can see I made few sketches inline. These all the things I made same inline. And here also I made this one like this inline. These lines actually we don't want. Other sketches only required to create loft. But I made this line only for reference. This loft tool available inside solid. If you click here you can get it the loft, or it is available in home tab also. If you go to the home tab, if you click here you can see loft. Select this loft tool and which geometries you want to create as a loft. I select the first object and next object and the next object. Like that, multiple objects you can select and simply enter. Again enter. Now you can see the set of geometry, it is converted to the 3D model. This is called loft. Ctrl Z. Again go to loft tool. Select the first object, next object. Like that, all the object I selected and simply one enter, and you can see here few options. If you click here you can get it few options. Select this ruled, so you will get it ruled, and the next option is normal to all section. See here, like that few option is there, very easiest like this. If you made any, select the options, depends on the option you will get it some changes. Okay, normally using this smooth fit, this is smooth fit, and simply enter again, it is ready. You can use any sketches. Before here I made all circle only, but here I used first one circle, this is ellipse, here it is rectangle, polygon, and again circle. This also we can convert to loft. Go to the loft and select the first one and the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one, and enter. Double enter, it is ready. So this all the set of geometry, it is converted to loft. Ctrl Z. I selected one by one, I selected when I create loft. If you change the selection, you will get it different shape. I just go to loft, select the first and the second and the third. Fourth I select this object, and fifth I select this object, and simply enter. Again enter. So double enter. Now you can see before we got another geometry, but when I change the selection order, now we got another geometry, another 3D model. So then this one, how to convert loft, you will see. Just go to the loft, select the first one and the next one and the next one, next one and the next one, and again, and double enter. So it is finished. So like this, fine handle is ready. So like that, you can convert any geometry to 3D model using loft command. But when you create loft, you should aware of your geometries are inline. If you have object like this, then again you just make a circle like this. If you made cycle like this, okay, now if you orbit and see, these are in same plane. It is in same plane, but this kind of object, same level, same plane. So this kind of object definitely we cannot convert it to loft. But I select this one, I just make movement in vertical. So now this object or this object you can convert to loft. I just go to the loft, select this one and select this one. Now you can make loft. Double enter, it is created. But these two objects you cannot create as loft. Select this first object and the next object, enter, it will not create. So definitely when you create loft, you need to check your object, it is possible to create loft or not.